that I'm breathing fine. Even when you're not around, if there are boundaries, I will try to let them down. I'm catching on, now I know what I have found. I feel it close enough. Like in your love, I feel it close enough. Could I lock in your love? If I've got it with my space, I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your touch. Oh, do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my like in your love, I feel it close enough. Could I look in your love? If I've got it with my space, I won't let go. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you.
Everyone could please stand. And as you stand, there's beautiful rose petals by the pillars. If you can gracefully put them down the aisle as the bride walks down the aisle. For the women, the people that are on the ends, there's rose petals by you. Right here. Can you gracefully place them on the aisle as the bride walks down? Please toss them down.
Your smile, your voice creeps inside my heart with everything you do. I have no choice. Loving you is all that I know how to do. Even when your weight was heavy, you were so holding me up. Even when you were in pieces, you would hold me together. Even though I was your baby, you was out the fight and me. One that was there to hold my back. Don't you know that I choose you over anybody else? When you're not around, it's just bad for my health. I'm good on my own, but with you I'm something else. You're telling me to choose up, but I already choose you. I choose you, you. You stay in my system even when you're gone. Even when your life was hell, you were still on me. Even when you were in pieces.
You may all be seated. Today is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, and of two people who are in it forever. Today, promises become permanent, and friends become family. However, this day is not about words spoken or rings exchanged. This day is the day of Aja and Sharisa. It's all about love. A talented author once wrote, if love is not all, then it is nothing. This principle is opposite and collides down all the years of this breathless tale. Ladies, your breathless tale is about to begin. If love is not all, then it is nothing. Thank you. All you have to do is simply love one another. And that love shows through everything you do for one another. How you treat each other in good times and bad. Love isn't just a word, it's an action. Love isn't something simply you say, it's something you do. Love is genuine, honest, open, compassionate, kind, and blind. Love doesn't know space or time, nor look through jealous eyes. There are many different kinds of love, almost as if none at all which are represented here today. There is romantic love, the love of parents and children, of brothers and sisters. Not only do Aja and Sharisa love one another romantically, and they do, you can see it with every look, every touch, every moment they're together. They love just as best friends. Constantly giggling and teasing, and very plainly and obviously having fun together. The love and enjoyment of each other as best friends will sustain them through this marriage. In addition, the love collectively in this room from friends and family will sustain and support the promises they made today. All of us here will help solidify this bond as the two individuals are joined as wife and wife. This new journey will be at times richly rewarding and extremely difficult, but most importantly, it will be a journey you take together. Marriage is much more than signatures on a legal document. You are promising in front of all these people you love that you want to be with each other and only each other for the rest of your lives. And that you will do everything in your power to honor the promises you make here today. For their part, the people who love you will do everything in their power to try and help you hold your end of the bargain. And the couples have chosen to read their vows.
She's nervous.
When I say I love you, know that it means there's no one else I can imagine myself with, because you touch every aspect of enough for me that I can possibly think of. You caught me at an all-time low in my life. You picked me up from rock bottom. You groomed me and always loved me in ways I didn't even know was there. You taught me how important patience is, and at the same time wiped out any memories of past pain. I often times have challenged you to be in the best version of yourself. You have overcame any and every skeleton. The woman you have blossomed into these last 3 years, I cannot wait no longer to marry. Ever since we met, we've never stopped trying or loving or catching each other when one fall or fail, or do something stupid to push us back a few steps. But we keep standing up as one in every end. And I love you because you're beautiful and strong. I love you because you love your family and friends just as fiercely as I love mine. Also, I love that your family has become mine and my family has become yours. You are my best friend. I'm so happy we are becoming one today. I promise to make you proud as your wife. I vow to listen to you even when you're wrong and continue to learn from you. I vow to laugh with you and cry with you. I vow to value our differences just as much as our common grounds. I vow to put all my effort into strengthening our marriage and giving you the best version of Sharisa Scott on good days or bad days. Rain or shine, I will love you forever.
It's not long. Sharisa Scott. I was gonna say, it's hard to put these feelings into words and these words onto paper. We may not be perfect, but our story is. We met at a perfect time for the perfect reason, and that is to be here today. My brain didn't always know we would end up here, but my heart did. When I slid in your DMs, something told me this is right, even though it was so wrong. 3 years, 3 months, and 9 days later, it has not been easy, but worth it doesn't begin to describe. When we laugh hard, and when we disagree, it's pretty hard as well. But our differences are what bring us closer and make us stronger. Your personality is big, but your heart is bigger. And I promise to cherish it. I promise to communicate and to always put you first. I promise to respect our vows and always be honest. I promise to listen and to be loving. You are my best friend. You're my life partner, and you're now my wife. I love you more. I love you more than I'm able to express today. But I promise to show you through this lifetime. You are my heart, and you are amazing. I love you, Sharisa Samantha Scott.
Sorry.
Sharisa, repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love
as a symbol of our love
for today and tomorrow
for today and tomorrow
and for all the days to come,
and for all the days to come,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
Wear this ring as a sign
Wear this ring as a sign
of what we have promised on this day,
of what we have promised on this day,
and know
and know
that my love is present
that my love is present
even when I am not.
even when I am not.
Now say it again. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love
as a symbol of our love
for today and tomorrow
for today and tomorrow,
and for all the days to come,
and for all the days to come,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
Wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a sign of what we have
as a sign of what we have
promised on this day,
promised on this day,
and know that
and know that
my love is present
my love is present
even when I am not.
even when I am not.
You say it.
I do.
By the power vested in me, I may now pronounce you wife and wife. Wife and wife.
Wife and wife.
Sharisa, you may kiss your bride. As we honored and celebrated the transition from two separate lives into one, united, we placed a broom for jumping, which symbolizes the entrance of the couple into a new life. By taking this lead, they make a gesture of dedication to working together through tough times as well as easy times. They leave behind the past and jump into the future together, secure in their love. It symbolizes a sweeping away of the old and welcoming of the new, making way for all the things that are good to come in their life in this union. Can you please all stand? It is my great honor and privilege to be the first to present to you Ms. and Ms. Sharisa Samantha Scott.